Hello mathletes, Dave Staublin here, and I want to show you how we can use the unit circle to calculate sine, cosine, and tangent. So let's start with a right triangle, and let's just use a variable, the Greek letter theta, to measure this angle here. And we know on a unit circle that the hypotenuse is 1 because that's the radius of the circle. And then to get from the center out to the circle, we go in the x direction and we go in the y direction, boom, boom, to get here in our xy coordinate. Now, we also know for sine, cosine, and tangent that if this is our angle, then we know this is the hypotenuse, this is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side. So here's what we know. We know that the cosine of an angle is equal to the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. And if we look at this triangle on the unit circle, we know adjacent is x and hypotenuse is 1. And x over 1 simplifies to x. So on the unit circle, the cosine of an angle is equal to the x-coordinate. Let's check out the sine of an angle. Well, we know that the sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse, and the opposite is y, and the hypotenuse is 1, and that simplifies to y. So on a unit circle, the sine of an angle is equal to the y component. Let's do one more. The tangent of an angle is opposite over adjacent. So opposite over adjacent is y over x. And there it is. So we can, if we know the xy coordinates for an angle on the unit circle, we can figure out the tangent, the sine, and the cosine.